this is the beginning of Rush. Okay. So I'll kind of go over some of the stuff I talked about in the video. So basically, as soon as you open up, it comes to the screen and you can create a new project. Okay. The first thing you have to do is you have to give it a title. We'll call it test. Okay. After you do that, okay, you got to pick an image. Let's say this. So the way this works is right here, you pick a name. You can't do anything until you pick some images. So like that's the first image, that's the second image. I'm just picking some third, fourth image. Okay. Once you pick your images, you just say create. Okay. Also, I was going to let you know when you first get into Adobe Rush, it has like a little exercise you can do to learn how to use it as well. That didn't come up. Okay. So some of the stuff I was showing you, and it was a lot in that 10 minutes. So for example, this plus it says add medium. Okay. This is where you can add titles, you can add more photos, you can do voice work. So let's say I want to do a voice work to this right here. Since it's a still image, I don't have to worry about the length of it. I can stretch out the image because it's not a video. So even if I talk longer than what's shown is matter, I can stretch out the video or stretch out the photo. So the way you do a voiceover, for example, you hit voiceover and it comes down here and then right here it says tap to record. As soon as you tap it, it's going to count down. Okay. So I'm going to do a little talking about this picture and this image. Okay. When you get done, you just hit stop. Okay. Let's say this voiceover needs to go to this image. All you have to do is just drag that. Oh, not that image. Okay. Anyways, you drag the image. I'm not doing a very good job. Or you can shorten it. I don't know what's going on today. I apologize, guys. Anyways, you can drag this image to the length of the voiceover. And then to listen to it, this is your playhead. You can do that. You can hit this arrow or hit space bar. So I'm going to do a little talking about this pitch. So that's your voiceover. That's how you do that. Some of the other stuff they talked about, and like it was quite quick, this is where your titles are. Okay. More titles. Okay. So for example, I can put this, the title is going to go above the video track. The thing you have to remember, your video track's on the top. So that's videos here and audio goes down. So I put a title in there and I can change it by going into this purple box and I can change it. And here you can change the color, you can change the style, but you can change it in there. Okay. Some of the other things that were shown in the video, this is a crossfade. Let's say you want to fade between two slides. You put it between two things. So when you play it, it's going to crossfade between. And then also you can change the duration. Like right now, it's up to a full second, or you can make it less. And you can pick different transitions in here. There's other features. There's pan and zoom, auto reframing. So those are some of the things they showed. There's your speed that they were referring to on the video. I'm trying to keep an eye on time. Okay. Some of the also things, here's the volume they were showing. So everything they were showing in the video was over here. So you can change. So everything on this area, like I said, you can change the transform, the vertical, everything's overdone over here. You can crop it. You can do quite a bit. Let's see. So everything's done over here. Let's see. So let's say that's what you want for this video. So I'm going to do a little, okay. So once you have that where you want it, you can go to share. Okay. when you go to the share function, that's how you send out your file. You have to specify where you want to save it to. So if you save it to your desktop, for example, that's where you're going to select that folder. Okay, so now it's specified, and then you have to give it a name, what the file name is going to be. Test. Okay. And here's more advanced setting. If you want 1080, 720, this is all advanced settings. You can also have it go to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Okay, but I'm going to do it locally. I'm going to skip that. Okay, once you get this setting that you want, you simply just have to hit export. So it's going to export for you, and it'll give you a time right here, specify it. Once it's completed, there'll be an arrow that you can play it here. You can preview it here, and you can also check it to see if it's on your desktop too as well. So when you test it, it's going to, so I'm going to do a little talking about this picture and this. Okay. So you can test it there. And since I specified to go to the desktop, it's on the desktop, and I named it test. Okay. The one big difference between Premiere Pro and Rush is Pro, you can save a file, and Rush, you can export the file. So a little different setup.